A CSV file is also known as a dash. A. Flat file. B. 3D file. C. String file. D. Random file. Answer: A. Flat file. The expansion of CRLF is dash. A. Control return and line feed. B. Carriage return and form feed. C. Control router and line feed. D. Carriage return and line feed. Answer: D. Carriage return and line feed. Which of the following module is provided by Python to do several operations on the CSV files? A. PY. B. XLS. C. CSV. D. OS. C. CSV. Which of the following mode is used when dealing with non-text files like image or exe files? A. Text mode. B. Binary mode. C. XLS mode. D. CSV mode 5. Answer: B. Binary mode. The command used to skip a row in a CSV file is dash. A. Next command. B. Skip command. C. Omit command. D. Bounce command. Answer: A. Next command. Which of the following is a string used to terminate lines produced by writer method of CSV module? A. Line terminator. B. Enter key. C. Form feed. D. Data terminator. Answer: A. Line terminator. What is the output of the following program? Import CSV. D is equal to CSV.reader open bracket open, C : /pyprg /ch13 /city.csv single quote right parenthesis close bracket. Next, D. For row in D, print row. If the file called city.csv contain the following details: Chennai, Mylapore. Mumbai, Andheri. A. Chennai, Mylapore. B. Mumbai, Andheri. C. Chennai, Mumbai. D. Chennai, Mylapore. Mumbai, Andheri. Answer B. Mumbai, Andheri. Which of the following creates an object which maps data to a dictionary? A. List reader function. B. Reader function. C. Tuple reader function. D. DICT reader function. Answer D. DICT reader function. Making some changes in the data of the existing file or adding more data is called dash. A. Editing. B. Appending. C. Modification. D. Alteration. Answer C. Modification. What will be written inside the file test.csv using the following program? Import CSV. D is equal to open square bracket, exam, comma, quarterly, comma, half-yearly close square bracket. CSV.register_dialect, capital M, comma, line terminator is equal to \n. With open, C:\PYPRG\CH13 /line to .csv single quote comma, W, as F. WR is equal to CSV.writer, F dialect is equal to capital M. WR write rows, D. F dot close. A. Exam quarterly half-yearly. B. Exam quarterly half-yearly. C. EQH. D. Exam comma quarterly comma half-yearly. Answer D. Exam comma quarterly comma half-yearly.